Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that your phone makes a convenient alarm clock, especially since you can create multiple alarms for different situations and days of the week. But there are times when you no longer want all those alarms. Perhaps you want to cancel an alarm before it goes off or delete it entirely. So now I'm gonna show you how to turn off your alarm on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, to turn off your alarm, firstly you have go to a clock menu and then go to alarm settings like this. So this is the alarm that I've been set before, so now I'm gonna turn it off one by one like this. Or you can also cancel an alarm before it goes on or delete it entirely like this. You can long press on the alarm and then click delete with trash icon. So now here's the tutorial on how to turn off alarm on your Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.